Welcome to this quick guide on how to install the Google Chrome web browser. First, you need to open your current web browser. In this example, we're using the default browser that came with your computer. Navigate to a search engine and type Google Chrome into the search bar. Hit Enter. Look for the official Google Chrome download link in the search results. Ensure it is from google.com and select it. You are now on the official Chrome download page. Click the prominent Download Chrome button to begin. Once the download completes, locate the setup file. It usually appears at the bottom of your browser window or in your Downloads folder. Double-click the setup file to launch the installation wizard. Your computer may ask for permission to proceed. Grant it. The installer is now downloading necessary files and installing Chrome on your system. This may take a few minutes. Installation is complete. A Google Chrome shortcut has been added to your desktop. You can now launch Google Chrome and start browsing. Thank you for watching.